Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, the cool means right here, and basically what this is a backpack that is for your pet. So you basically put your pet inside right here as long as they're under 17 pounds. So this is the breezy backpack that you guys can actually use for cats or dogs as long as they're under 17 pounds. And this is from the brand called PETKIT. You can see right here in the bottom. If you can see right here on the side, they provide you guys some of the specs that's on the actual product right here. But this is basically what the product looks like. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you can see that this is basically what's included inside. Let's take it out. Alright, so when you take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. It's all nicely wrapped and everything. But let me actually take it out to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first take it out, you can see they do provide a user manual to teach you guys how to use the product and how to set it up. But basically, once you guys take out the product, you can see that this is basically what it actually looks like. So here is what it looks like on this side. If you flip it to the other side, this is basically what it looks like on this side. So this is basically the other side of the backpack. And here is the front. And the way how to design the backpack definitely has a very good cushion and padding on here. So that way your pet inside can be really comfortable and actually has that protection on here. And then here's another padding or cushion inside. And this is what the inside layer looks like, if you guys can see right here. So if it looks throughout the pod right here, they definitely have a bunch of ventilation system right here. So your pet can definitely breathe inside. And you see right here, we have the cable that you're going to plug into your power bank to generate power on here if you guys want to use the light option or the ventilation system right here. And by ventilation, I don't mean the actual ventilation on here on the side, but it actually has a fan right here that's actually used, which I'll show you guys how to use in a second. But first thing first, I'm actually show you guys how to assemble everything together first. So first thing you guys want to do is to put the zipper inside right here first. Alright, so you're going to put it inside right there, and you just want to zip it through the whole entire backpack to actually seal it up. So once you guys zip it all up, this is basically what it actually looks like. And also on the bottom right here, they have this little cover. So you can go like this to cover up the zipper compartment so people can't really see it or it's not like super noticeable. And in terms of the power bank option, they have this little spot for you guys to pull out the cable right here. So let me actually do that first. So if you guys look really carefully inside the bag, there's this little slot for you guys to actually put the cable inside. So just like this. And then the other side right here, you guys can actually pull out the cable. If you can see, so just like that. So you can see right there, it's kind of hard for me to show you guys, but you can definitely have that slot for you guys to put the cable through right here. And you basically want to put the power bank inside right here if you guys want to use the fan option and the light option. And I guess this part right here is just for you guys to plug in your cable onto your power bank to charge your phone at the same time if you guys want to use that option. So that is basically how you guys set up the power bank option. Once you guys finish setting up that, you guys can do the padding option right here. So the way how you guys set this up, you guys want to stick the Velcro in the bottom of the backpack. Let me open up and show you guys what I mean. Alright, so this is basically what the inside looks like. And they have the Velcro right here. So you basically want to stick the padding right here. Alright, so you just want to stick inside right there. And then you want to close up the backpack. And then you can put your pet inside right here. Alright, so once you guys set up the power bank and the bottom of the cushion area, then you guys all set and you can start using the product. So you see right here, we have the ventilation option right here. We have the ventilation option right here. Ventilation right here. Ventilation right here. And ventilation right here. So you don't ever need to worry about your pet suffocating or anything because they always have room to breathe inside. And if you guys want to turn on the fan option on the side right here, you can definitely do that as well. So basically there's an auto mode, a wind speed level 1, wind speed level 2, and a lighting option right here. And then this compartment right here is for you guys to put in your power bank or whatever stuff you guys want to put inside right here. That is up to you guys. But mainly it's for power bank to actually power up the device. When you guys look at the back part right here, it definitely has a very nice design where it gives you guys a very good padding and cushion when you guys use the backpack. So not only is your pet comfortable, but you guys are comfortable as well. I believe the material that they use on here is like a breathable mesh material. So that way if you guys sweat a lot when you guys use the backpack, you don't have to worry about it. And not only do you guys get the comfort on here, but you guys also get that support and comfort on the strap as well. And if you guys look on the side right here, they actually have another zipper compartment right here. So if you open it up right here, that is basically another way for you guys to open up the bag if you guys want to let your pet come out really easily. And then when you guys want to put your pet back inside right here, you guys can zip it back up. So just like that. And you see in the back right here, they have this little strap option right here as well. So I'm assuming you guys actually put this onto your luggage if you guys want to when you guys are traveling, which is super convenient. And then the top part right here, they do give you guys little handles. If you guys want to carry around like that, you definitely can as well. And then the very bottom right here, there is a secret compartment right here. So if we open it up, you guys can see there's a little bit of space right here for you guys to put stuff. So maybe like your passport, your wallet, or your phone. You can definitely put all that on here. And then right here, you can see they do have a little reflector. So that way when you guys are wearing this at night, people can definitely see you. But this is basically what the product looks like right here. And this will look like on this side right here. I really love the way how they designed this backpack a lot because it kind of gives you guys that kind of like space or astronaut look. So that way when you guys put your dog or cat inside right here, it kind of looks like they're in space or something, which is really cool and very cute. But I'm going to take out this wrapper right here and then put it on to show you guys what it actually looks like before we put the pet inside. Alright, so once I take out the wrapper, I noticed that right here there's also ventilation as well. So there's definitely a bunch of areas for your pet to breathe on here, which is super nice. So if you guys look at the bottom of the backpack, they do have these options right here as well. So that way if you guys put it onto the ground, it actually stands up. So that's really cool how they have that option as well. Same thing for the bottom part right here as well. So they do have these two bottom parts and then two bottom parts right here. But let me actually put it on first to show you guys what it actually looks like when you guys put it onto your back. Alright, so you see that once you put it on, this is basically what it looks like on the side. And here's what it looks like in the front. So it definitely looks very cool and very cute if you guys can see. And when I actually put on the backpack, it actually feels really comfortable as well. If it's too tight or too loose or the wrong angle on one side, you can always adjust it if you guys want to as well. So I want to adjust it like this to make it looser. And then make it tighter both sides to make it fit better. That is basically how you guys do it. So now I'm actually get the power bank and test it out to show you guys how it works. Alright, so I want to plug this into my power bank that we have right here. And I just want to put this inside the little compartment right here. And then I want to zip it back up. And now we have the power bank inside and we can start using it. So you can see once we have to plug in the power bank, it activates the product inside. And there is a ventilation or fan inside because I can hear it. So I press the button right here. So now it's on fan level 1. Fan level 2. And goes back to auto mode. If I want to turn on the light, I just double tap it. And now it turns on the light. So there's definitely a light inside right there. But you can't see it right now because it's still bright out. So I'm actually turning off the light and then show you guys what it actually looks like when we actually turn on the light. Alright, so it's definitely much darker now. Let me actually turn on the light to show you guys what it actually looks like. So I want to double tap it. And then there you guys can see the light inside right there is super bright. And when you guys hear the fan on here, it definitely works really well, and that's on auto mode. If it's too loud, you guys always adjust it. So now let me just put my pet inside to show you guys what it actually looks like when you guys actually use it. Alright, so we have the product right here. Let's test it out and see how it works. So I want to open the back part here first so they can come in. Alright, so once you guys open it up, they can come in. Alright, so we got the product all set right here. If you can see, the dog is inside right here. So if you guys want to carry around, you definitely can. If you guys want to carry this in your back so that way they can see everything when you guys are hiking, you can definitely do that. Alright, so I'm carrying the dog on my shoulder. Alright, so this is basically what it actually looks like when you guys carry them on your shoulder. So if you guys want to bring them when you guys are traveling or hiking or whatever, you can definitely see that it actually does work. It actually looks very cute as well if I turn it this way. So it definitely has like the ventilation and everything on already when you guys activate it. If you guys want to turn on the light, you can definitely do that as well. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys set it all up. And it's super cute if you can see. So this is basically what the product looks like. I'm gonna let them out now. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product and definitely see it actually does work and works quite well. Super easy to use the product and super easy to set it up as well if you can see how we just did just now. So if you guys want to turn off the fan option or the light option, you do need to unplug the cable on the power bank in order for you guys to do that. Otherwise it'll stay on forever because they want to make sure your pet has ventilation and everything to make sure they're cool and not overheating or anything. So that's actually really cool of them. But that's basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys have like a small dog or a small pet or a small cat or whatever. And if you guys want like a really cool backpack for them so that way they have ventilation and also they feel really comfortable and they also have a very nice light inside so they can see stuff in the dark. And if you guys want them to see everything when you guys are traveling or when you guys are hiking, you definitely have the option on here. So I would definitely have to say that this is actually really worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.